Okay guys, in this video I want to thank you guys for all the love and support, all the support that you guys shown us, all the customers that come. If you guys remember when my first videos where we started with nothing compared to now, we've really gone high. It's been a really good year and I hope next year will be even better. For all the people that support on social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and showing my videos and recommending people, I'm really grateful. And if you guys remember, when our first videos compared to what they are now were completely different, and if you guys see the cars I used to do before and the cars we do now, it's really different. So all the people that trust us and seen our work, because we do so much, we do body work, plastic deep, wrap, tints, wheels, it's so much we do in the house, and we make sure the jobs are done properly. So thank you again guys, and I hope next year we'll get even better cars. This year we had Lamborghinis, we had Bentleys, we had quite a lot of cars, and I hope next year we'll get even better. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you for the support, and I hope you guys keep supporting us. It will be much better videos also. We'll try to do car events at some point. We'll try to do a few bits, so thank you again guys.